Tired of freezing mornings and uneven room temperatures? Struggling with noisy heaters that disrupt your peace? Worried about heater safety around kids or pets? Annoyed by bulky heaters that are hard to move? Frustrated with heaters that waste energy and money? Introducing the Dreo Space Heater, your comfort solution. HyperAmX 1500W PTC system delivers instant, powerful heat. Advanced heat funnel design warms rooms up to 200% farther. Shield 360-degree safety, tip over, overheat, and flame retardant materials. Whisper quiet operation at only 34°. No more noisy distractions. Precise thermostat lets you set temperature from 41 to 95 degrees. Remote control, 12-hour timer, and child lock for convenience. Portable, lightweight design fits any room or workspace. Save energy and stay cozy with Smart Eco Mode. Enjoy fast, safe, and quiet warmth all winter long. Upgrade your comfort. Choose Dreo for worry-free heating.